Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use game capture on both OBS and Streamlabs OBS when playing Counter-Strike. Alright, well the first thing that you need to do here is to of course add a source. Here on Streamlabs I'm gonna go ahead and add a source. In general sources, just go ahead and click on game capture and hit on add. Alright, just add source. As you can see here, the game capture is added. I'm gonna put it right here below. Another one on OBS Studio. In sources, click the plus sign, add game capture. Okay, I'm just going to close this one for now. Next, what you're going to do is to open up your Steam app right here. Go to library, locate Counter-Strike 2, right click on it, hit on properties. And as you can see here, there's a launch option called allow third-party software. So what you're going to want to do basically is just copy this one. Don't worry, I'll leave this one in the description. All right, copy, then right click, paste. Once done, just hit on close. After that, just hit on play. There's nothing else to do, just hit on play. All right, if you can hear the game playing, that's an indication that the game is running. All right, so I'm going to alt tab, then go back to Streamlabs. I'm going to turn off my display capture. All right, turn off display capture. All right, again, I'm going to hit on play. You might hear the game's music. All right, here on Streamlabs, I'm just going to go ahead and untick this one right here, the eye icon. As you can see here, it is disabled for now. I'm going to enable it. And again, display capture, turn off. And as you can see, the game is now visible using game capture. All right, if this one isn't visible for you, just go ahead and click on the gear icon right here. Make sure that the mode is set to capture specific window and the window is set to CS2 or Counter-Strike 2. Once done, just go ahead and hit on close. I'm going to close the display capture again to make you see, and you're good to go. On OBS, if it's set to invisible right here, just go ahead and click on this eye icon right here to make it visible. All right, as you can see here, if it's still not working for you, just go ahead and click on game capture. All right, double click on it. Make sure that the mode is set to capture specific window and the window is set to Counter-Strike or CS2.exe. Once done, hit on OK and everything should work perfectly fine now. Enjoy your stream or recording. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.